Hi, I'm Rich Allhurst. I'm down here at SRI with my 71 GTX. It's been quite a nice Mopar show that they're having down here. It's a good place to come down to shop for parts. They have all sorts of stuff here for the 71 GTX up through the newer vehicles. Tachometers, rear end gears, all sorts of different items are here and available at a very good price.
Hi, I'm John Galena, co-founder and executive director of Purple Heart Homes. We're here at SRI Performance for the Mopar Cruise-In and to benefit veterans and their housing needs through Purple Heart Homes. We're honored to be here. Some great cars and great people that come out to support, and just a great event here in North Carolina. Dale Beatty and I founded Purple Heart Homes in 2008 after our experiences reintegrating coming home from Iraq as injured veterans. And our community stepped up and really made an impact and a difference in Dale and his family's life and their ability to have an accessible home. And through those experiences, we found that there's a lot of veterans from other generations like Vietnam and Korea and that also need assistance. And so we go in and rehab their homes as a charity free of charge to make them accessible for their bathrooms, their kitchens, their bedrooms, so that they can live a safe and dignified life. The best way for folks to learn more about Purple Heart Homes is to visit our website, www.phhusa.org. Facebook's a great way to interact as well. Purple Heart Homes Facebook page. You can reach out to us by phone as well. Our number's on the website, 704-838-4044. A veteran that may be interested in applying for services can find the application online. And anyone else that'd like to maybe get involved by hosting events such as a Mopar Cruise-In or car show can also volunteer and fill out an event form online.